Itxaron, laizter nator. Epa lagunok ongi etorri Lastotxapelen kanalera, ongi etorri zuzeneko honetara, eta lanean egun kaskar baten ostean eta apur bat, deskonexio momentuak edo tentzioa kentzeko, bermintain beharra neukan edo horrela apur bat lasaitu egiten naiz, bale. Orduan hartuk du, ipot... Bale. Hau bere rollera dago. Bermindean pur bat... Aserre hori baretzeko baliogarria da. Hobetu baretu aserre hori bideo-joko batean. Noski. Lanean lan, alik eta hobekin egin eta bideo-jokoetan disfrutatu eta hemen tentzio momentu kentzeko joko paregabea da. Eta adrenalina hori, barruan duzun adrenalina puntu hori askatzeko eta edo den bizitza gutxe, odola, haren jainkoaren zat.
Second armor, elf! I've told you before!
Bizitzez ere ez nago zondo. Mapa hau aspaldian jugatu gabe nengo. Kontuz horrekin izaten batu eta...
You need aid, Kruber!
Flag Waterfus! I bought walls, you have to parry!
Venga, guarda.
Hear them laughing at you! Fall! Foul abomination! Girls, come on! Troopers down!
Pulsing? Could be worse.
Beste pertsonia gartuta daude joko abentza eta abizan azazu.
We need to go through here. Armored rat ogres prowling. We better be ready.
Hona sartu daiteke.
Healing draft over here.
Ezin bada sartu guretzat asko zer hobeto.
Do you have the flux, sir?
Ever a steady hand.
Brave rat!
Strangler!
Pasen aurrera.
You see that? Be around. Reckon I can take it complete. It's nothing. Just trading, that's all. Guys, couldn't do it without you.
Hush. Can't hear more coming. Drone's beside us.
See that armored recovery? It's all yours. Holy justice! I'm on board.
Be more careful, Garrickson. Any further off course and we'll all be dead.
Be more careful, Dorrickson. By the honor. Plague man.
There it is. Move in here.
We've got gas incoming.
Alas, move in here dead.
That's all. I have
Ah,
hanging by a thread here.
You look better, Kruber.
I'm in trouble here.
Caca. Sagurraren puta, tío. Este taldekida gaude hor lanak egiten. Eta nire bizitza salba dezakete.
What to do?
Come on, this way.
Anyone have some healing? Or an arm they ain't using?
I'm sure it's an accident, but you're going the right way.
Orain ez du goratzen hemendik zen ala ez, uste dut baietz.
Caution! Don't waste it.
I drink this from need, not desire.
This wound is nothing.
Gordy, we found ourselves a few plagues.
Got another. Speed like hell.
Gone right, get clear.
A ver, Juan Barco, gara. Arma no oso potente dago.
There! Plague man! My armor!
Vale, caca.
All right, come on then.
Oh, over here, mayflies.
I know that sound. It's a rattling gun.
I unleash black powder.
Can't lie, I'm not feeling great.
Take more care, Azumki. They're no use to us dead.
Vale, hemen Juan Bergara. Vale, goratzen dut mapa honen azkenengo
These will lead us
zati
to
hori, baina
something.
bueno, horrekin.
Maybe answers. Maybe our own deaths. We can't go around. We must find a way through.
This looks like the way down.
No, guazen.
Dead end seems. The rat.
Gas gas incoming.
Got dead. A rattling gun. Going by that scent.
Vale, hortik ez.
Seize the moment, Mayflies. You have so few left.
Just keep both arms as aid length.
Gas rats!
Rattling dead, Jack.
Vale, hemendik ez.
Oh, such vileness! A sleeping shadow! Good for you.
Through here. Yeah, that bloody earth.
Hala.
All should be revealed behind this door.
They've sent plague for us.
The eternal dark!
Vale, ahora gaixo hori. Gauzatxo
Here, a foul step.
Shadow!
Culvert. It has to be destroyed.
I need to heal. Show some patience. Chains, Mayflies, the chains! With the winds!
Aupa ibila. Zer moduz.
A gas rat approaches. I need help!
Ba hemen apur bat. Deskonexio apur bat izaten.
Don't fret, Elf. Shut I am sure.
Esan dezaket bala, hemen izan dudala egun eskaz horietako bat. Eta hemen nago hemen. Zertarea, zein joko hori ematen zaute kainorai? Bai, aurreko jokoa bukatua daukat, ja. Ninja erotikoen jokoa amaitua daukat dagoeneko, eta hemen hilko nahi, ja. Ratchet & Clank joko berria edo mitik horietako bat.
Out of the way, the gas rat's gonna explode.
Lightstormer! The air thickens with filth! Doesn't Walt abandon his cause as a mere...
Ni jokatu izan dut Play biko Ratchet & Clank. Eta bueno, zen behar dut nahiko baldarra nintzela. Orain horra. Oh, kaka. Eutsi gotzen.
Help me! Are you blind?
You all hear that, Lightstormer, right? Don't waste that advantage.
Salvation is at hand, Kruber.
A ver, ia salbatzen dudan. Badakizu bat dagoela pelikula bat, Ratchet & Clankekoa.
Gregson, you should heed
Beste egunean ikusi nuen eta bueno, arratsalde pasa egiteko interesgarria izango litzateke.
Binding salt fire. Look out! Rattling gun!
Behintzat Super Marioren filme hori bezalako ez da. Bai, nahiko botxo. Hala ere oraindik 3 pertsona daude hemen bizirik egurra ematen, beraz oraindik irasteko aukerak baditugu. Bihar egingo dut mini zuzeneko bat arratsaldean, joko berri batena, frogatzearren. Warhammer 40.000koa. Eta ez dakit nolakoa den. Warhammer 40.000 deitzen da Wolf ez dakizet. Space Wolf horrelako bat. Da karta joko arraro bat, horregatik frogatzera noa. Eta agian aurrerago ekarriko dut ba, igual Rise of the Tomb Raider edo horrelako zehose.
So what if the illusion's a little bit vicious? Builds character.
Vale.
Malaya guide my steps. I think it's this way.
Hemendik izan beharko da. Vale, hemendik da.
Well, Lawrence, this tunnel is what we sought, Dory.
Well, I suppose you have to hit sometime.
Beware the poison grenadier!
This isn't a light for me either, and you know it.
Flame caster! The Warpath!
Way!
Alright, dead!
Ez que horrela joko berriak Total War Warhammer heldu arte ez daukat horrela bat buruan pentsatua.
Really? I suppose you're going to blame your short arms.
Baina beno. Gainera ni a tope PC-roa naiz, beraz igual joko bat aukeratu aurretik, frogatuko ditut joko ezberdinak eta engantzatzen eman hau, ba, joko horrekin horrela joan. Vale, mila eskeri bila, ongi izan. A ber, JPT, lekul edo dena delakoa. Ni partida erdian sartu naiz, Beraz, potro jorran ez ikut. Osea, potroak ez ikutu, mesedez.
Good evening. All is well. Well, not really.
Aizkora bat, arma hori ondo dago, kosmetikoa. Horrela hobeto. Eta honekin aurrera. Begira zea aizkora polita aukadan, tetarekin. Ba, emango dugu kaina beste bati. Ea zer sortatzen zaigun oraingo honetan. Vale, bagoazen hau partida normalak. Los DLC-ak ez diren partida horietakoak. Ea Markus noiz datorren. Vale. Ia nora bideatzen dugun orain.
You know what I think, Varden?
You what?
The time has come, people.
Skidgate.
Skittergate guards have been thinned. The Rockblood forces lack leadership.
Gehien
and their
sufritu
old
dudan
destiny
mapa,
is
edo
off to hold some
gainditzeko
self-congratulatory
gehien
victory
sufritu
spree.
dudan mapa.
This is our chance to destroy the Skittergate. Now, just let me finish before you
Baina
start
beno,
screaming bloody murder.
partidak hemen oso aleatoriak direnez, eta emisio guztia gainditu ditudanez orain ba mapak sin más.
Way, so listen carefully. If you don't do exactly as I say,
A ver.
you won't be coming back.
I am truly speechless. This planet. Oh, no.
Vale.
Be quiet.
They were clear on the matter. To truly defeat the Skittergate, we must use it to enter Norscam. Sigmar will protect us. This lifting platform shall carry us deeper.
Double the discipline! I've a burning need
luego
to
es
make
un
the
verano.
ratties pay for this. Who's with me? Oh, I'm mighty.
I found a healing draft.
Lehenengotik derecha.
I'm not giving up now.
Ash.
Vale,
poison,
norbait gehiago
the
sartzen
wisp
den.
of vermin. We've a warp fire thrower to deal with. No more fires. Kill the hook nut. Make it suffer. Not bad for a lumberfoot.
Strangler, strangle no more.
Don't have
Horra, guazen horra.
Make your blows count, now take the thing!
I need help.
Come on, then!
Ez,
Aye, test back!
ez.
Justice!
A dozen such swarms, and we end this in moments.
Kendu erditik.
Look out! Rattling gun!
Pikutara guazen bera. Gainera kaosaren desertuko partia jogatzeko, ba ez nago gustora egongo nintzateke momentu horietan. Nahi dut partida esgarrak eta punto. Vale, guazen bera.
The gate is silent. This lever should remedy that.
Vermin with shields incoming!
Bale, hemen Stargate. Eta hor gure atean Norskara joan alizateko, eta orain bera.
Suppose we'll have to head through now.
I do not trust this calm. But while the seer is away, the righteous will play.
With this shot I abjure thee!
Eta orain iparraldera zuzenean.
The righteous
Hemen
soul
batzuta
fears not
gertatu
scapen witchery.
zitzaidan
The righteous
galtzea eta
soul
dana.
fears not scapen witchery! Shadow!
Hemen gainera 10 basoa zauzteko aukerak ez dira gutxi. Gara Norskara hemen.
Here. I Sigma
Negu
right here.
erdia, bueno, Norska orokorrean elurre ez beteta honega.
Norska, where the ice hides nothing but heresy, and the snow is a smothering carpet of corruption.
Bueno, va a ser.
It's up here.
No, va a ser.
Mayflies.
It's
Even
a gehiago
I
acaba
can't
etxera.
fight that many. We have to trust Alicia's scouting. Seek the back door.
I could do this all day!
I need ammunition. Crude shot, but crude shot is better than none. The eternal dance.
No, va a ser.
Chaos warrior!
I need a woman.
Receive the judgment of Sigma!
Tiro bat desbada, ba, tiro asko.
There's the gate down by the docks. Should draw less attention, Dory.
Esango nuke mendik dela, baina beno.
You hear that, mate? Coming!
Fleeting shadow.
Life Slinger Witch! Put it down! Read him, right, Stormer!
That's a blight stormer.
Jerónimo. Vale, guazen. Mintzat hemen misioaren hasieratik nator eta gian nire zenbakiak asko ere hobeagoak izango dira. Non sartu zara.
Storm. Kill its master.
Hot rat!
That fat bastard will trouble us no more.
Drop of this will help me along.
No, guazen borrokara.
My toe! Smash
Sigma guide my strikes, Master Dwarf.
Wish he'd guide mine, or better yet, send me a nice cool flagon of ale. Just as fine as me! Come here! There's more room here!
Hala, guazen. Hemen. Zorrotuko diskorak. Eta etxaiak akabatu. Bizitzea zehendik ez nago larri, baina bueno.
Vile thing.
Ya, bueno.
Leech!
Ahí se lo
Get it.
diría. Hacen aurrera.
No more soul drinking for that, Lee. There's a gas rack. Look over there! Stop showing off! You'll never be as good as us, Lee.
The Lightstormer walks the winds!
A la picútara. Pasen aurrera.
I am a mountain. I feel now. Nothing.
That Blightstormer won't trouble us no more.
Vale, orain muniziorik ez daukat, beraz hemen aizkoraka da. Etxaiak sentitzeko.
Come here, wasn't. Not enough. Either it's no good for effort. More. If that's all you've got, use that war.
The winds!
Uf.
There's a hook rat coming for us. No sorrow for a dead packmaster.
Vale, ez daukat muniziorik.
Then here's two.
Time to heal for it. Or not.
Baina ultia badauka.
Healing draft. Wharton's Rakira's nail is in this bottle.
Bera.
These Northlander ships will be but the first of many.
I don't know
Kendu erditik.
You're paler than usual, Saltfire. Not so good in a fair fight, assassin.
A Clovadier is near. The elves killed another. You forest folk would make good allies, if not so mercurial in nature.
Allies? Adults and children are not allies. One guides the other. You two, just shut up and guide your weapons or enemies. Jasper, throwing!
That gas rat needs to die.
Aguatzen aurrera.
Jasper,
This way.
those be warm footsteps.
Only the gatekeeper carries it.
Ipotxeten oso bizitza gutxi daukau. Eta nik ere bizitza askorik ezik geratzen, beraz, hemen, ondatzeko.
Right.
Vale. Orain asko ere hobeto.
You shall not triumph. Holy Sigma stands beside me, while your lord is a craven, corpulent blackhead.
Fent.
Right here. Give me a good shot. Go on.
Hala,
Again. I can take it.
Hortu. Kaixo.
That should have wasn't.
let this potion work. Oh, it tastes vile.
There! Flank attack!
Zango nuke nurgle dela, baina eske aldakuntzaren jainkoa zentzu da, ez nurgle.
Fleeting shadow! To me, winds of magic! We'll show that fire right how it's done! Let me heal!
Vale, guazen gorantza.
I do believe you're getting better at this one.
Aye, well, takes a few battles to get everything flowing away.
I don't...
Yeah, like gobbles, the lot of you. Hogger, I'm still standing. White and glory.
Espera, eskuturik gabe, pigutara.
You are...
Vale, guazen gora. Gora, 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 gora.
Bastard! Die!
By the weed!
Ash, I hear a warp fire thrower. Another Ratman contraption falls silent. The righteous and true need fear no pain.
Vale, ez du sartuko, vale. Ni egia esan dezakin dela jartzen den hori motu. Vale, eskider geit piztu behar dugu. Ipotxan arazoaz.
See? Raki technology runs hot. We smashed the warp regulators and it's all over. Even Lorna understood that. Destroy the cooling system! The warp regulators! Oi! Over here! Someone give me a read! You here? Just take a swing! Ah, my grandmother hits harder than that!
Luna takes all the credit! Run! To the cave! Go! Ha! Yes! More fire! More flame! Feel the fire!
Yes! There's only a scratch. Let it patch it up.
Well, at least this is as stupid
Eta den
as it
sartzen
gets.
bagara horre eta punto pelota. Eta den sartzen bagara horre eta punto pelota, zer. Ideia moduan. da, lehen hemen sartu gara.
Never doubted it for a moment.
Batzutan bideak astu egiten zaizki.
Times and it.
Orain sufritzera.
Ha! Swooping in to save the day for your dysfunctional pack, dear. A brain short and a lifetime late. You dirty rat.
Sigma! I have killed you! Shooting plastic is fruitless. Unleash your arsenal on the storm team! I feel the dark gods reach. Oh, blessed shock!
Arrasoa Rastnik da.
Can't keep going.
Caca. Bueno, suerte charra. Bueno, dole egonda. Niveles egin naiz, 35 niveletik 35 nivelera. Oso ongi. Ondo 34. Agian hartuko dut Markus Kruber. Eskerrak, esperientzia bikoitza derugoitza ematen zuten momentu horietan kaina asko eman nion. Gainera erazten zenuen esperientzia bikoitza naiz eta galdu. Osea, galtzerakoan normalean lortzen zenuen esperientzia bikoitza lortzen zenuen. Eta irazten baduzu, irazten zenuena.
Made it through another day, eh?
A ver, zer dauzkagu hemen. Una pack. Vale. Vale. Bueno, ez dut azkenengo partidatza jokatuko dugu dela. Ea gero euskaldunen bat dagoen hortik raid egiteko edo bestela ikusiko dut nori ingo diotan raid hori. A ber.
You're going back to the forest and descry a war machine nest. Destroy them all as you did before, but find the rune. If you forget, don't bother coming back at all. Loner may enjoy his jolly little motivational speeches. I care only about results. So don't mess this up.
Baina, eske, rata ogro eta rata infernal berdinak die desea berdina. Rata infernal eda
I remember this.
lanzaiamak dituzten.
Oh, you're in for it now. Or maybe you're not.
Eda gero egin
How many
sentitu
times
behar
have you
dugu.
been here?
Leave the judgment of Sigmar! It's down, glory!
Gero jarriko dugu. Eske zuenetan hauek nurgelen jarraitzak baina zombiak diruditu. Korriken duten zombia, baina bueno. Baina gero gertatzen dena, Warhammerren historia eta
Keep it up, darling.
egiten baduzu, konturatzen zela ez direla zombiak. Baina bueno, zenbaitek izan zuten, mintzat hasiera batean sentsazio hori kaosa lehendabizi agertu zirenean.
I think you're on the right path. Probably.
There's a Chaos Warrior near.
Odol gehiago, odola. Ni hemen ez dakit non dauden gauzak.
A lovely little ball. It's all ours. We'll be fine, so long as the dead stay dead.
That sounds like a bastard.
Thrill amongst the thrill cattle. Your son of the dead Packmaster.
Always playing with fire.
Zer gertatu da.
It's up here.
Nola joan za...
Backstabber.
Agian bai, agian ez. A ver, zuzenekoetan nagoanean batzuetan sartzen zaizkit gurasoak partida horregatik hitz egiten dut, baina soinuak eragin da eta...
Yeah, this path ain't working out.
Eta bideo. Ez nuen ezagutzen. Goazen
Definitely felt better.
I bet you wish you were at the Jade College now, Sienna.
beti berdina hitz egiten zuzenekoetan.
Get up here! Rattling!
Strangler!
See? There's a hook rat! Dead strangler. You wanna
Badaezpada.
dance?
Goazen gora.
Keep back, gas rat!
Suicide run!
Vale, hor zaude.
Chaos Warrior in sight! That's better. One less Chaos Warrior.
Watch out! Gatling gunner!
A ver. Bueno, ba, hau gertatu dela ikusita, hemen utziko duzu zenekoa, begiratuko dira norbait online dagoen.
Es que los horarios de la gente son diferentes. ¿Lo ha hecho o no?